The case is infectious keratocongectitis or pink eye usually is acute and tends to spread rapidly. It is caused by gram-negative bacteria, that is Moraxella bovis and Moraxella boviculi. It is more susceptible in long-distance traveled animals. Phase flies transmit the diseases on their legs from one animal to another. Mucopurulent discharge lacrimation, as you can see. Within a few hours, a faint haze appears. After 48 to 72 hours, in severe cases, there is an entire cornea may become opaque. Opacity, ulceration, and rupture of cornea or partial or complete blindness may occur in this condition. One or more small ulcers typically develop near the center of the cornea, as you can see. Reduced appetite and milk production occurs in this case. So we should isolate the affected cows from herd. Anti-flies spray should be applied around the cattle shed and isolated cow to avoid spread of disease. Autoimmunization is very effective treatment against this disease, along with long-acting antibiotic, antipyretic, and anti-inflammatory and multivitamins are given. Intracorneal injection of antibiotic and corticosteroid and vitamin A is very effective in this disease. So as you can see, there is a magic response to given treatment. Feed and water intake is increased on the next day of treatment. Recovery seen in corneal opacity and ulcer. It is very clearly visible. In some cow, corneal ulcer with IBK heal without loss of vision within 72 hours after treatment. In some cow with ulceration takes 10 to 18 days to complete recovery. After 25 days, we found complete recovery in affected cows. After 25 days of isolation, cow were replaced in herd. Isolation of animal from herd stop spreading of disease and early treatment gives fast recovery.